Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to get rid of infinite rows in Google Sheets. Let's begin. See this example rows 5 select full rows or selected rows. Then hold shift and down arrow key, then select multiple and another way again select. Hold control shift and down arrow key, press then selected the last rows. Then right click on your mouse, delete rows or hide rows. Example is delete rows. That's it. And now we can see this delete rows or hide rows. Go to view tab, group, and now see this minus icon. Click hide plus show. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.